Now wetin make people dey complain about hookup? No be today hookup start now. Hookup don start tey. For John 8:7, that woman wey God say, if you wait tell those men, because you see say the only men dey pursue the woman because they dey jealous say every man dey knack am, every man dey knack the woman. Na all of them carry stone, be jealous, one come stone the woman. And then Jesus come tell them say, if you know say you never knack, make you cast your stone. Now be say all of them don knack hookup. All of them come begin to drop their stone one by one, they go back. To see say don't take away hookup dey. You wey dey condemn hookup. You never knack hookup before. Abi you dey jealous say that man dey knack the one wey you dey knack. See, hookup don dey for long time. So if you know say you never knack hookup, condemn hookup. So na so e be. So leave all those hookup girls. No be today start. They don inherit that one, just like the way we inherit Adam's sin. Okay? So na so. So if you think say this thing wey I talk, say e get as e be, abeg, tell me your own option for comment section. Because hookup don dey from John 8:7. Jesus say if you never knack hookup, cast your stone.